Assalamualaikum. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and it's my pleasure to present my poster. Myself, Bushra Mukhtar. I am from Jinnah University for Women, Department Eastern Medicine and Surgery, third year, Faculty Pharmacy. So today I will present my poster. Topic is Revolvia serpentina in the treatment of hypertension. Revolvia is an evergreen shrub that's a member of Apocynaceae family. Revolvia serpentina, possessing cold and dry temperament in the third order. Over 100 species are included within the Revolvia genus, and that they are native to tropical and subtropical region. It is native to moist, deciduous forests of geographical area including India, Burma, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Malaysia. Chemical constituents of Revolvia serpentine. The major alkaloid is present in root, stem, and leaf of the plant is reserpine. Reserpine was first isolated in 1952, and its chemical formula was found to be C33H40O9 and 2. Yield of reserpine varies from 1.7 to 3.0. About 90% of alkaloid is present in root bark of the root. The minor alkaloid present in the plant are ajmalene, isoajmalene, revolfinines, serpentine, serpentinine, reserpinine, etc. Antihypertensive drug Revolvia serpentina is also approved by Commission E. Mechanism of action. Revolvia is a central acting drug. It works by slowing the activity of the nervous system, causing the heart rate to slow and the blood vessels to dilate. Reserpine is an adrenergic blocking agent used to treat mild to moderate hypertension via the disruption of norepinephrine vesicular storage. The antihypertensive action of reserpine are a result of its ability to deplete catecholamines from peripheral sympathetic nerve ending. These substances are normally involved in controlling heart rate, the work of cardiac contraction and peripheral resistance. Reserpine deplete brain, depression, and peripheral noradrenaline storage sites. This agent binds and inhibited catecholamines pump on the storage vesicle in central and peripheral adrenergic neuron, thereby inhibiting the uptake of norepinephrine, dopamine, serotonin into presynaptic storage vesicle. This result is catecholamine and serotonin linergic in the cytoplasm, where they are destroyed by interneuronal monoamine oxidase, thereby causing the depletion of catecholamine and serotonin stores in central and peripheral nerve terminals. Depletion results in a lack of active transmitter discharge from nerve ending upon nerve depolarization, and constantly leads to decreased heart rate and decreased arterial blood pressure as well as sedative effect. So there is a methodology where I was conduct online survey among the undergraduate and graduate people. Data was collected by self-administered questionnaire. The questionnaire was comprised of 10 questions regarding the knowledge, attitude, and perceptions about herbal drug Revolvia serpentina as role. The study was conducted through online questionnaire from irrespective of age, gender, education, and family background to understand the final awareness of taking Revolvia serpentina within the treatment of hypertension. So there is a result of my survey that 83.3 people or in the family are usually affected to hypertension. Hypertension is then the primary risk factor of the heart disease and the stroke. Even being responsive to 83.3% people are know that taking Revolvia serpentina within the treatment of hypertension, and 37.5% people only use Revolvia serpentina within the treatment of hypertension, and 62.5% people don't use Revolvia because the lack of education of herbal medicines. In the end of my presentation, I conclude my poster in few lines. Hypertension is incredibly common disease in Pakistan. Every second person suffers from this disease. Hypertensive disease is a chronic disease and there is no cure of that disease. Only provide a medicine to the patient that control vital sign. According to the information received, most of the participants know that a stroll within the treatment and hypertension, but they need not avail it because they do not know the way to record it. Most of the people think it is a good practice of medicine to cure disease like hypertension. Most of the people seem confused about this drug because of the depth of information. I think public awareness seminars should be organized to enlighten the people of Pakistan about the bountiful benefits of this drug. Thank you so much for